Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone and your headset not working on your Xbox Series X or S. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to settings. And there is one privacy setting that could be causing issues. So go on down to account and then go to the right and go to privacy and online safety. Select this and go over to where it says Xbox privacy. And if you have this set to too restrictive, you're not going to be able to speak to people. So let's go to view in detail, customize, and then go down to where it says communication and multiplayer. Then go to the right, and we have others can communicate with you with voice, text, or invites. Make sure this is set to everyone. Then the next one is you can communicate with people outside your Xbox, so crossplay. If you have this to like in-game friends or something like that, and you're playing Fortnite, you're not going to be able to speak to people in your game. So you need to set it to everyone. So once you have that setting set up, let's back out. And then let's go to the main Xbox settings menu. And we can go to the top to general, go to the right, go down to volume and audio output. Select this. Now there are some settings under here. You can change the headset format and see if any one of these formats sounds better. So you could just leave that stereo and compressed also. Then we can go up to additional settings. There are some things under here like mono output. Sometimes just clicking mono output if you have your controller connected with a cable or something like that, this could get it to actually work. So you can try mono output. Now this is going to make the sound the same from your left and your right ear, so it might be harder to hear like footsteps or something behind you and the direction. And then there's other options under here, like mute speaker audio when headset is attached. So you won't hear this through like your TV speakers or anything like that. And then we have party chat output to headset. You can set it to headset and speakers to hear the party chat as well. So you have that as an option. And then you can go to the chat mixer in here as well. So you could reduce the volume of other sounds by 80%, reduce the volume by 50% for the chat mixer. And to get the chat mixer, press the Xbox button, scroll on down under here, go to the right and go to audio and music. Then at the top, you can see I have headset volume. Now, this is directly linked to my headset because I have the Xbox wireless headset. But you can see it's going up and down when I change this. Now, if I go to the left side, this is the party mixer. So if you go to the left, you're going to hear the game sound a little bit more. And people in the party chat are going to be harder and harder to hear. So if you have this all the way to the left, it's going to be nearly impossible to hear their voices. So make sure the chat mixer is maybe just about in the middle. Now, the mic monitoring, you can use this to test your microphone. So if you don't hear yourself speak when you max this out, there's probably an issue with your headset. You might have like a mute button on it or something like that, or it's not correctly connected. You should be able to hear yourself speak. So then you know you have an issue with your headset. So we can back out under here and go to the main settings menu, scroll on down to where it says device and connections, go to controllers and headset, and make sure your headset is connected and it shows up under here. Now we can go to where it says configure. Now with the Xbox wireless headset, I actually have an equalizer where I can adjust the different like frequencies. So you could go to like game, heavy bass, music, speech, and it could help you hear the sound a little bit easier in your games. So we have bass boost, and we can go back now. And then we have micro light, and then here's lower mic monitoring. We could turn off the mic monitoring completely right here, but we can go to low, medium, high. And then if you are taking phone calls, you have the option to don't reduce like the volume of the game, or you can mute the game sound using this. So we can go back now, and hopefully your headset and your microphone are working now. If it did indeed help you out, leave this video a big thumbs up.